Many people don't know that a whole life insurance policy can be a source of income for retirement. With a whole life policy, your premiums don't change, and coverage lasts for the rest of your life. Whole life policies also accrue cash value over time because a small percentage of the premium that you pay for insurance costs goes into a savings account that earns interest. The rate of return varies from company to company, and the cash value of the policy can be withdrawn as an additional source of retirement income. If the amount withdrawn doesn't exceed the amount you've paid in premiums, that money will be tax-free. Of course, withdrawing these funds will reduce the death benefit to your beneficiaries, and withdrawing any dividends earned could be taxed as income. Before deciding whether a whole life policy is right for you, you should understand all your options by speaking with a financial professional. To learn more about smart retirement saving strategies, give us a call or visit our website today.